Today we will do the positive and negative tag words for English pedagogy. Positive tag words: appropriate, effective, useful, helpful, beneficial, correct. All these are positive tag words. If anywhere you see in the questions, then then you are able to recognize that this is a positive tag word, and this tag is a correct answer. Now let's move to the another positive tag word: right, valid, suitable, meaningful, relevant, learner centered, child centered, communicative, interactive, natural, functional. Interaction is all these are positive tag word and hashtag right from the beginning. Now let's move to the another words on experiences: creative, creativity, logic, systematic, gradual, activity based learning, experiential learning, contextual, holistic, integrated, motivating. Whenever you see all these positive tag word in questions or anywhere, it's all mean positive meaning. So whenever you see, it means positive answers. Now we will see another: encouraging, supportive, democratic, inclusive, progressive, constructive, facilitative, practical, real life based, skill oriented, process oriented, fluency oriented, accuracy with fluency. And all these are related with discover, explore, and it's all related to the education. So it's all are positive. Now we will move to the negative tag words. Negative tag words come in a English pedagogy, so we have to see all this, so we will able to recognize which answer is our wrong answer. Number 1: inappropriate, ineffective, useless, harmful, wrong, incorrect. And all these are negative tag word. Whenever see in the in the options, we have to eliminate them. Invalid, unsuitable, irrelevant, rigid, meaningless, mechanical, road based, memorization based, teacher centered, authoritarian, dictatorial, passive. And this is all our negative tag word. Flexible is a positive tag word, and active participation is a positive tag word. Okay, now let's move to the another negative tag word, so we're able to recognize more. Boring, dull, artificial, isolated, fragmented, overloaded, examination oriented, text bound, grammar translation based only, non communicative. And all these are negative tag word. And learning without burden means positive. Okay, so don't mix up all these answers. And now we will see more. One-way communication, forced learning, punitive, discouraging, demotivating, restrictive, translation blindly, outdated, unscientific, unrealistic, abstract only, product oriented only. These are all the negative tag word. Whenever you see in the questions or in the options, so from that we have to eliminate this and mark the right question. Positive tag word means सही ऑप्शन की तरह इशारा. Negative tag word means गलत ऑप्शन की पहचान. So from there we were able to recognize all the answers from the negative tag word and positive tag word, and we will save time in the exam. So you read the 2-3 times, so you able to recall them in the exam. Okay, so far we have learned positive tag word and negative tag word. Now we will learn learning and teaching approach, mixed tag words. Okay, number 1 is learner centered and teacher centered, child friendly and authoritarian, interactive, one way, communicative, non communicative, active based, road based, experiential learning and mechanical learning. These are mixed tag words. There are more: method and process, natural learning, forced learning, contextual learning, a contextual teaching and isolated teaching, integrated skill, fragmented skill, process oriented, product oriented, gradual progression, sudden loud, meaning focused, rule focused only. These are the mixed take word and these are the method and a process. Now we will see more. Classroom environment, motivating, demotivating, encouraging, discouraging, democratic, dictatorial, inclusive, exclusive, supportive, punitive, flexible and rigid, important, chid, experiment, revoke, scold. These are all the mixed tag word for the classroom environment. Now we will see the another process. Language skill development, fluency oriented, accuracy only, real life based, unrealistic, functional language, artificial language, skill oriented, exam oriented, holistic development, partial development. And this is the 360 tag word. Now we will see another. Grammar and vocabulary teaching, assess based grammar, rule memorization, inductive method, deductive only, contextual vocabulary, word list, meaningful practice, mechanical drill, communicative grammar, grammar translation only. These are all the mixed tag words. Assessment and evaluation, continuous evaluation, one-time testing, diagnostic assessment, punitive testing, formative assessment, rigid summative only, feedback oriented, marks oriented. This is the assessment and evaluation, positive and negative. Teacher's role, facilitator, dictator, guide, controller, motivator, fault finder, reflective practitioner, traditional instructor. And this paragraph is very important. अगर ऑप्शन में आए नॉट अप्रोप्रिएट, नॉट सुटेबल, नॉट करेक्ट, नेगेटिव टैग वाला ऑप्शन सही आंसर होगा. पॉजिटिव टैग वर्ड्स पेडागोजी के हिसाब से सही. लर्नर सेंटर्ड, चाइल्ड सेंटर्ड, एक्टिविटी बेस्ड, एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग, कम्युनिकेटिव अप्रोच, इंटरैक्टिव लर्निंग, मीनिंगफुल लर्निंग. Assess based grammar, democratic classroom, inclusive education, motivating environment, encouraging feedback, supportive teacher role, teacher as a facilitator, continuous assessment, formative evaluation, diagnostic testing, holistic development, learners autonomy, contextual teaching, natural language learning, functional use of language, integrated skill SRW together, process oriented, fluency oriented, accuracy with fluency, real life based learning, creative expression, critical thinking, discovery learning and inductive method. नेगेटिव टैग वर्ड पेडागोजी के हिसाब से गलत. टीचर सेंटर्ड, रोट लर्निंग, मेमोराइजेशन बेस, मैकेनिकल ड्रिल, ग्रामर ट्रांसलेशन मेथड ओनली, रूल मेमोराइजेशन, आइसोलेटेड टीचिंग, फ्रेगमेंटेड स्किल. non-communicative approach, one-way communication, forced learning, artificial language use, textbook bound teaching, exam oriented learning, product oriented only, punitive discipline, authoritarian teacher, dictatorial classroom, demotivating environment, discouraging feedback. Rigid methodology, overloaded syllabus, unrealistic context, passive learner, traditional blindly flow, outdated method, unscientific practice, abstract teaching only, fault finding attitude, marks oriented assessment. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and like. Thank you.